How to use a verification code in Claude. So to put it simply, a verification code is going to be used here during login or account security checks. So it will help confirm your identity. And with that, when you try to log in inside your Claude by maybe Anthropic using email, Google, or another method that is given to you, you may receive a one-time verification code via email or SMS, and this code is temporary and usually expires within a few minutes. So you get a link, or either you can choose the enter verification code. So enter the code generated from the link sent to your email. Then what you're gonna have to do is to type it in over here. Either that, or you could enter the link that is sent to your Gmail, and it should just reopen Claude automatically, and it will verify yourself, and then you can enter your Claude. So again, simply copy the code you receive and paste it into the verification bar over here. And then after entering the correct code, your login will be confirmed and you will gain access to Claude or Claude code. And if the code doesn't work, you can request another one by sending it again, and make sure you enter it quickly before it expires. But that's pretty much it on how you use the verification code in Claude. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.